Hello everyone. The former public protector, Advocate Thuli Madonsela, will appear before the Section 194 committee to give the testimony on behalf of the suspended Mkhwebane. It's the first time a Chapter 9 institution's former head in the country is called to testify in a parliamentary inquiry against her successor. Thuli Madonsela will be testifying by means of a subpoena after she repudiated summons to testify on behalf of her suspended successor in the inquiry probing Mkhwebane's fitness to hold office. In February, the committee agreed that Thuli Madonsela's testimony could add value to the inquiry, as she had previously handled some of the investigations in question. Thuli's response letter expressed concern, saying she saw no need to testify. She said, "I don't see the rational connection of the majority of the above questions and Section 194(1) inquiry, which stems from judgments by courts up to the Constitutional Court regarding Advocate Mkhwebane's integrity flowing from court decisions regarding her comprehension of the public protector's constitutional mandate. I would have been in a position to help a week after leaving office if efforts to work with applicable public protector team members to finalize a quality assured set of records in the week after office on 14 October 2016 were not rebuffed by Advocate Mkhwebane, who flatly forbade any contact between myself and teams I had worked with when I requested her permission to do so." What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.